Adjust. Adjust. Meaning: make minor changes for accuracy. I need to adjust the temperature of the oven to bake this cake. I can't hear the TV. Can you adjust the volume? Related words: adapt, modify, tweak, calibrate. Advance. Advance. Meaning: move forward in a purposeful way. He made a hesitant advance towards the edge of the cliff. The customer made an advance payment for the car they ordered. Related words: progress, develop, enhance, proceed, upgrade, arrange. Arrange. Meaning: to organize or plan beforehand. She carefully arranged the flowers in a vase. I will arrange a meeting with the project team to discuss the upcoming tasks. Related words: organize, sort, systematize, order, marshal, assign. Assign. Meaning: to allocate. The manager will assign a task to each team member. They tried to assign blame for the project's failure. Related words: commission, designate, allocate, appoint, delegate. Categorization. Categorization. Meaning: act of classifying. The data categorization process helps in analyzing trends and patterns within the dataset. The library implemented a categorization scheme to help users locate books more efficiently. Related words: classification, taxonomy, arrangement, labeling, sorting. Categorize. Categorize. Meaning: classify into categories. She neatly categorized the documents into different folders. The books were easily categorized based on their genre. Related words: classify, sort, organize, class, label. Centralize. Centralize. Meaning: to concentrate. The government decided to centralize power by transferring responsibilities from local authorities. The company aims to centralize operations to improve efficiency and reduce duplication. Related words: decentralize, consolidate, streamline, integrate. Classify. Classify. Meaning: arrange in categories. They need to classify the information according to its importance. The librarian will help you classify the documents. Related words: categorize, sort, label, group, catalog. Compose. Compose. Meaning: create or write, making up the whole. She composed a beautiful symphony for the orchestra. He spent hours composing romantic poems for his beloved. Related words: draft, create, write, design, arrange, concentrate. Concentrate. Meaning. Focus. She worked with intense concentration, barely noticing anything around her. He had to concentrate deeply to solve the complex math problem. Related words. Focus. Attend. Absorb. Center. Engross. Divide. Divide. Meaning. To separate into parts or groups. They decided to divide and conquer the project by assigning different teams to different sections. There is a bitter divide between the two political parties on this issue. Related words. Separate. Split. Partition. Fraction. Segment. Gather. Gather. Meaning. To collect. He went to the library to gather information for his research project. Let's gather together for a group photo before we leave. Related words. Collect. Assemble. Accumulate. Harvest. Amass. Group. Group. Meaning. A number of people or things that are located, gathered, or classed together. The teacher divided the class into small groups for the group project. The company conducted a focus group to get opinions on their new website design. The company conducted a focus group to get opinions on their new website design. Related words. Team. Community. Gang. Association. Club. Jumble. Jumble. Meaning. A mix-up. The room was a jumble of books, papers, and clothes. She jumbled together all her clothes in the suitcase. Related words. Disarray. Chaos. Puzzle. Mix-up. Which of the following word means? Make minor changes for accuracy. The answer is D. Adjust. What is the meaning of the word? Jumble. The answer is C. A mix-up. What is the meaning of the word? Centralize. The answer is D. To concentrate. Which of the following word means? Classify into categories. The answer is B. Categorize. What is the meaning of the word? Group. The answer is B. A number of people or things that are located, gathered, or classed together. Which of the following word means? A number of people or things that are located, gathered, or classed together. The answer is D. Group. What is the meaning of the word? Categorize. The answer is B. Classify into categories. Which of the following word means? Create or write, making up the whole. The answer is B. Compose. What is the meaning of the word? Classify. The answer is D. Arrange in categories. What is the meaning of the word assign? The answer is D. To allocate. What is the meaning of the word advance? The answer is A. Move forward in a purposeful way. Which of the following word means a mix-up? The answer is D. Jumble. Which of the following word means to organize or plan beforehand? The answer is C. Arrange. Which of the following word means act of classifying? The answer is C. Categorization. Which of the following word means arrange in categories? The answer is C. Classify. What is the meaning of the word arrange? The answer is A. To organize or plan beforehand. What is the meaning of the word divide? The answer is C. To separate into parts or groups. Which of the following word means move forward in a purposeful way? The answer is A. Advance. Which of the following word means to collect? The answer is D. Gather. What is the meaning of the word adjust? The answer is A. Make minor changes for accuracy. Which of the following word means focus? The answer is D. Concentrate. Which of the following word means to concentrate? The answer is D. Centralize. What is the meaning of the word gather? The answer is A. To collect. Which of the following word means to allocate? The answer is C. Assign. Which of the following word means to separate into parts or groups? The answer is A. Divide. What is the meaning of the word concentrate? The answer is D. Focus. What is the meaning of the word categorization? The answer is D. Act of classifying. What is the meaning of the word compose? The answer is C. Create or write, making up the whole.